Hey guys, it's Dan with SuckleBusters. We're in our kitchen today. We're gonna show you SuckleBusters' take on the classic all-American smash burger right here on our Blackstone flat top. Stay tuned. The first step is to prepare the beef. Today we're using Nolan Ryan 8515, 1 pound of beef. You're gonna wanna add 1 tablespoon per pound 1836 beef rub. Good friend of mine, Hotch Van Blarkum, showed me this trick. Take the seasoning, incorporate it into the beef. That way you get flavor throughout the beef, and when you cook it, it doesn't fall off or get stuck to the grill. You get a lot better results. Now the key to SuckleBusters smash burgers is our secret SuckleBusters sauce. Let me show you how to make it. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, we like Duke's. 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, a tablespoon of garlic. Stir that all in. Sauce is all ready, except we like to kick it up a notch. So we're gonna add some of our SuckleBusters chipotle pepper sauce. Put in about a tablespoon. Then add fresh jalapenos, probably about 2 tablespoons. Fresh diced yellow onions, another couple of tablespoons. Stir that all in. Now, once the sauce is all done, just put it in the refrigerator till you're ready to assemble the burgers. And let me tell you something. Those onions and jalapenos, they're gonna take you over the top. Next step, toasted buns. Don't skip on this step. Let me tell you something. Butter and toasted buns make a smash burger. The buns are all toasted. We're gonna hold them to the side. Next, we're gonna take our meat and separate it out into patties. You wanna use 1 pound of meat, divide it up into 4s, make a 1/4 pound burger each. We're gonna roll these up into a ball. Now the 1836 is already in the burgers. We like the 1836 because it has a heavy cracked black pepper flavor, perfect for burgers. The hard part's done. So now the meat is gonna cook really quickly, maybe a minute on either side because we're using high heat on the Blackstone. Cook it until it just looks crusty and then pull it. Okay, so the cheese is all melted. These burgers are done. It's time to remove them to the buns. The last step is assembly. Burgers are ready. I like to start off with a nice big slice of tomato. For a little extra creaminess, I add super thin sliced avocado. And for a little extra kick, I like to add jalapenos and some more of those onions. Very last step is the SuckleBusters sauce. Just spread it on heavy. Now these burgers are ready to serve. Only thing left to do is eat these burgers, and let me tell you something, it's gonna be messy, but it's gonna be worth it. That is perfect. Nice, creamy, great cracked black pepper flavor from the beef. And those bits of jalapeno and onions are really crunchy. Makes for a perfect burger. So that's it for our smash burgers. Next time you want to smash a burger, smash in some 1836. This stuff is awesome on beef. And our secret sauce takes it to a whole nother level. Hey, try it out and let us know what you think. Put a comment down below and let us know how your cook went.